This video is part 2 on how to create your own beat selling website. Got a couple of questions asking me how I customize my website to make it look the way that it does and how I embedded my beats player. So I'm going to show you how to embed your beats player on your homepage, your beats page, and customize it to make it look like mine, if not better, so that when people land on your website, it looks and feels amazing and they want to stay there, spend time, scroll through your beats and put beats in the cart, because that's what it's about. That's what you want. Beat sales. Alright, let's dive into the computer. I'm going to show you the back end of WordPress and how you can start making your website look crispy, clean and professional. So having a website that looks professional, looks clean, easy to navigate and find what you're looking for is important. It makes you look more professional. I feel like it makes you look like you're on job, you're about your business. You're not just doing this thing as a hobby. Therefore, clients will take you more serious. I'm going to show you how I've set up my website, the different pages on my website, because in the last video, I didn't go too in depth on how I actually made the pages. So I'm going to show you how to embed your beats player so that you can have it just in one place, send all your traffic to all your potential clients and have it looking amazing. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is my home page and the different sections. I'm already logged into WordPress. That's why it's got the different sections at the top here. You can see I've got my logo at the top banner. Then I've got a video behind it, which is off YouTube. Then I've got the section here, about me section, work with me, a little bit of a bio, what I'm about and how I help independent music artists. So when they land on the page, it gives them some idea of what it is that I do, apart from just selling beats. Then we've got the production credits, artists that I've worked with, testimonials, videos from artists that I've worked with. I need to update that. Need some fresh videos. Newsletter, so they can just sign up to a newsletter, and that's done through MailChimp. Some services, mixing, mastering, custom beats, lyric video, artist and producer consultation. I wonder what that, when I click that, what that go to? Okay, because I made an actual page now for that, so I might just link that to that page. So yeah, that would make sense. I'll do that in a bit. Let me write it down so I don't forget. Link artists consultation. Right. And then we've got beat collabs. I'm not really doing beat collabs at the moment. I've done some in the past and it's something that I'm going to start picking up again. But for now, I'm not really doing beat collabs. And I've got the audio visualizers as another stream of income for those that are interested. Instagram, follow me button. That should take you to my Instagram, which it does. Lovely. And then a little video of my YouTube channel. Me telling you how to get your Spotify artist page. That video's done really well. Contact me page and social media links all at the bottom. So that's like for your footer. Rain down on me. That's the home page, and then we've got the Beat Store page, which looks exactly the same, apart from it's got a beats player on there, and that's my Airbit beats player. So I'm going to show you how to embed that shortly. Then we've got some licensing and pricing tables on there, download instantly, protected payments, secured website, just a few little things to make potential buyers feel at ease when they come to my website, knowing that it's secure, safe and secure for them to make payments. Frequently asked questions tab, producer credits, testimonials, newsletter, services. So again, you can see that it's the same as the homepage apart from the beats player and the licensing and pricing and the FAQ section. You'll notice that I've got different tabs: homepage, beat store, custom beat pricing, different layout, mixing services, free beats page with an opt-in form. That's from MailChimp, if I remember correctly. So to capture some emails, giving out free beats, add them to my mailing list. Drum packs page and a kcsounds merch page, which is some merch, some beat maker merch, hoodies, t-shirts, bags, cups, mugs, all of that. A blog page, slightly different layout again. Need to update that, probably put this video on there as well. And then a couple of widgets on the side there. And then a contact form. Again, some social media icons at the top. So it's looking very clean, very professional. And that's what you want. Just to quickly tell you, having a video playing on your actual website might cause it to load up slower. So just bear that in mind. You might not want to do that. I'm just testing it at the moment to see whether or not it's because I like the look of it. But if it's making things hard for someone to go into the website and it's taking ages for them to load, when they're on their desktop, then I don't really want that. But that video won't play on mobile, so it's kind of like, do I keep it? Don't I keep it? I'm going to change it probably a couple of weeks and see how it goes. Right, so I'm going to show you how to customize your homepage. So the homepage is going to look like this, which is the Beat Store, is my Beat Store. So you've got the Beat Store, has all the different elements, the different banners, the different sections. But on my actual homepage, I've got some elements hidden, like the beats player and frequently asked questions. So let's go to the back end of WordPress and I'll show you how to go about things. Once you've logged into your WordPress site, it's going to look something like this. We're going to go to Appearance, Customize, and then we click Customize. It's going to take you to the section where you can make your website look how you want it to look. Brand it, put your colors in there and stuff, and just make it look like your own. So as you can see, you've got your different sections. Really straightforward. So the front page template, which is this, has all these different sections. And to make your life easier, see the little pencil icon? Just click that, it will take you to the section on the left. So if I click that, it will open up and I can type in the box what I need to. I can change the color of the text, I can add animations, but I'm not adding animations at the moment because I've updated WordPress and there were some blank spaces on there. I'll show you. So if I say bounce in, that's going to disappear. See, and I don't know why it's doing that. So when I turn it off, all is good. So you can change the colors. That's my brand color, although I don't really use it that much, and I should use it more often, especially in my YouTube thumbnails. I'll start doing. So for each section is just a pencil icon. Click the icon and you can make the changes to that particular section. You've got the option to have parallax picks behind it. For example, you can see here that doesn't move, but when you scroll, it will stay in one place, but you can still scroll, and it just gives it a nice effect. I think it looks really professional. So if you add custom CSS code, you can hide certain elements of the sections, but I don't know exactly what code to put in there. The developer for the WordPress theme gave me the codes to put in, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to hit him up and ask him how you can actually put the code in, or what code you need to put in for that. I don't want to tell you, yeah, put the same code in and you do it and it just messes up your whole website. So hit the link in the description, hit up the developer, and he will tell you exactly what code you need to put in. So that's why my homepage looks the way it does. So the Beat Store page, all it is a static page. To create that static page, you just go to the back end of WordPress, go to pages, add new. In the bottom right corner it will say default template. You want to click front page sections, call it, say, Beat Store, and then publish. So I'm just going to call this Beat Store test and then hit publish. So if I click on view page now, there is Beat Store. It looks the way it does, obviously, because I've added everything that I need to add to it. But you're going to have a section here without your actual Beats player. So I'm going to show you how to add your Beats player to this section. So we're going to click on customize, click that icon. All this area is a text box, and all the text that I've included in this section is in this box. And that's how easy it is. Here, if you notice, that's the embed code that you get from Airbit or BeatStars that you need to put in. So for example, you see that it says professional beats, it's got the icons, the music note, it's got the download, PayPal secure icons. So for yours to look exactly like that, I'm going to leave all that text in the link in description box. Link in description? I'm going to leave all that text in the description box below. Copy it, but just put where I've highlighted. I'll leave it blank for you to put your own embed code in there from Airbit or BeatStars. And to get your embed code, all you need to do is go to Airbit or BeatStars, log in, go to your dashboard, seller dashboard. Airbit's updated their website, it's looking smooth. Then we want music stores. HTML5 stores, I'm going to leave that page, and then we're going to choose the size and dimension. I'm going to click responsive, I like that, and create a new configuration. Call this one site test. Go down, click the embed code, which is giving you all the dimensions. If you see there, it says embed code, copy, paste, copy that, put into this section here. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to change stuff. I like the way it is. Once you've done that, hit publish, and your page is good to go, up and running. So I don't need to do all that. Come out of that. And then you should have your Beats player embedded onto your website now. Again, all the different sections. When you click onto a section, it tells you what to do, what to add in. You can display text, a button, a custom image, whatever it is you want to do, it can be done on your website. Nice, simple, straightforward. Add your sections, put in your production credits, put in all the info you feel is just going to make your page, your website pop. So earlier I mentioned that I wanted to link my producer and artist consultation tab to the new page that I've made. So I'm just going to show you the new page that I've made, and I'll go to dashboard and pages, create a consultation. I think I named it music creator consultation. That's the one. So click edit. How I made is I just went to pages, add new, full width. On the right down in page attributes, no parent, dropped my image in. So you just add media, click add media, drop your images in, choose which one you want to use. It will have a little check mark on there, then insert into post, and add your text. So I added my text, Zoom call, consultation with KC Sounds, and all the necessary details for anyone that clicks on that and interested in a consultation. There's also a button I've got on there to book now. That's just a bit of code, and it's actually easy to do because if you look at the top there, it says add a button. Click add a button, type what URL where you want them to go. So it could be to another landing page, it could be straight to your PayPal. Once you've done that, get a little bit of code and you just put it in there and it will look like this. Book now. Simple, nice and easy. Love it. So what I want to do now is I want to attach my artist and producer consultation page to my new page. So I'm going to go to customization, appearance, customize. Then I'm going to click on the section that I want to change. So in the URL section, I want to get rid of that, and then I want to put the URL in for the actual consultation page. So let's go to kcsoundsinfo, and I'm going to grab that and then drop that into the URL of that. Click publish, and then we're going to see if it's worked. Boom, job done. Nice and simple. That's how easy it is to make changes to this website, having links to the correct sites and correct pages. So that's how I've created my website. That's how I've customized it to make it look the way that it does. If there's anything you're unsure of, hit me up on Insta. DMs are always open, happy to help. Just use the links below, hit up the developer, he'll be able to help you as well. Or just go to the FAQs on the actual help website. If you want to know how to make money online as a music creator, make sure you watch the next video, and I'll see you in the next video.